For years, we have imagined AI becoming smarter than us, outthinking us, or even replacing us. But what if I told you there's a fundamental mathematical reason why that might never happen? This equation is why AI companies are spending hundreds of millions of dollars to squeeze out just tiny improvements. And it might be the reason AI, as we know it, is about to hit a dead end. Let's break it down. I am Anurag, you are watching Layman, so let's begin. First, let's set the record straight. Computers already outperform humans in many things: math, memory, pattern recognition. But does that make them intelligent? Even AI companies know that what we have today is not actual intelligence. That's why they use the term AGI, artificial general intelligence. But if that's the case, then why AI is the biggest trend of this decade? Well, the AI boom is based on three big assumptions. The smarter AI needs more GPUs, which is why Nvidia is worth trillions now. Next is AI will become a part of our daily lives. And the last one is AI will keep getting exponentially smarter. But here's the problem. What if the third assumption is completely wrong? To understand why, let's talk about how AI like ChatGPT actually works. At its core, ChatGPT doesn't think. It predicts the next word in a sentence based on probability. That's it. The more training data and parameter it has, the better it gets. For example, GPT-3 had 175 billion parameters. GPT-4 over 1.8 trillion parameters. And yet, the improvements not big as you would expect. I mean, why? Because of diminishing returns. At first, adding more data and parameters makes an AI much better. But as the model gets bigger, each improvement costs exponentially more computer power, money and energy. And now AI researchers have realized that we are reaching that mathematical limit of this approach. Even OpenAI's internal data shows that GPT-5 might not be the massive leap forward everyone is looking for. And here's the real kicker. We are running out of data to train these humongous models. There's a point where the amount of text, images and human knowledge that exists in this world isn't enough to keep training better AI. Imagine trying to teach a student who has read every book on this earth. At some point, there's simply nothing new to learn. This is why AI companies are now training their models on AI generated data, which could lead to a loop of AI learning from AI, degrading quality over time. Does that mean AI is doomed? Not exactly. Researchers are looking for new ways to improve AI without just making models bigger. For example, smaller, more efficient models like China's deepseek that use fewer parameters but get similar results. Basically, newer architecture that focuses on reasoning instead of just predicting words. Maybe some kind of AI that integrates multiple senses like vision, sound and touch to understand the world like humans do. Some experts believe that the next breakthrough won't be GPT-5 or GPT-6, but an entirely new type of AI architecture. Right now, AI is already said to be replacing jobs, especially in tech and creative fields. But for AI to truly replace all human intelligence, it needs something it still lacks: common sense, creativity and real-world decision making. Basically, the question is, could AI ever think like humans? Maybe, but as of now, the limit is real. So the next time someone tells you AI is going to take over the world, just remember, even AI has boundaries. If you found this video interesting, you will love the tech breakdowns on my channel. And if you want to stay ahead of this AI and tech revolution, hit that like and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.